Hello tube fans. I'm just making this video just to say a few things about this boat that I got. This is my first boat. First time out. Never drove it. Never had a boat. Well, I had a little aluminum boat, but not like a real boat. This one here's got like a 70 horsepower Evinrude. So this should be fun. It's gonna be a perma smile on my face if it works. So I got my little doggy with me. Test it out, see if it starts, and then I'll come back and pick up my girlfriend so we don't both get stranded out in the middle of the Grand River. Yeah, so noob. I got drifted back in just when I was ready to start my engine. Some nice guy came over and pushed me back out. That was embarrassing. Thank you, guy. Time to start the engine. Here we go. Wow, that was nice, like a bat out of hell. That's a lot quicker than a 9.9 motor or like a 4.5 like I had before on an aluminum boat. It's like 70 horsepower, not 4.5. Yeah, that was pretty damn cool. Damn, that just sounds so nice. Look at Daisy, my little doggy. She likes it. Hey Daisy, good girl. Oh, good dog. Well, this boat kicks ass. It's the best $600 I ever spent on a boat, motor, and trailer.
Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it.
Well, that was fun. Take it away, Amy.
That's frickin' awesome. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next video.